If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get our latest videos. Hey everyone, here I am with the Moto G10 Power usage review after 2 months of usage. So it's a really good phone for day-to-day usage, but it is definitely not meant for heavy tasks. You can also press the user interface, you can change the themes in the settings. You can also enable the dark mode. I have already enabled the dark mode on this phone. Usually it will not be a dark mode, it will be like a white color. Now you can see it as a dark. Here is the theme settings where you can customize the theme as you want. You can change the font, you can change the icons, you can change the colors of your likings, and you can save it as a preset. There are also a few other presets, themes that is saved in this phone. You can also use this presets themes on this phone, or else you can just create a new one of your likings. You can also select the icon layout. Here you can see the different kind of icons, circular, square, all those different things. Then you can save the presets and use it. So this phone runs on Android 11 out of the box. That's a good thing. You don't need to update it. As soon as you get the phone, it's Android 11 out of the box. So that's one of the good thing about that. Overall, it's a great phone to use. It has a great user interface and it's very responsive. And it also comes with motor gestures, which we all know. These are the few other motor gestures. Like you can press the phone to open the camera app, and also use the karate chop to turn on the flashlight on the phone. You can just chop the phone like this to turn on the flashlight. You can do it again to turn off the flashlight. Now let's talk about the camera on this app. This is how the user interface of the camera looks like. It looks good. So let's take a picture. Camera is not the very strong point of this phone. It's not good enough pictures. It could have been better at this price. The camera is really bad on this phone, but on daylight conditions it takes a good decent photos. Lags behind the night mode. So here's a picture. Here you can see the quality of the picture. It's decent. If you're not into photographs, just want to take normal pictures, then you can go for this phone. Here you can see some of the other photo samples which I have taken on daylight condition, which came really good. It's okay. The other bad thing about this phone is that it uses a Snapdragon 460. They could have used the latest Snapdragon for this, but they just used 460. And also the RAM management of this phone is not so good. It's really bad. It's not able to handle the heavy tasks like gaming and stuff. The apps won't be saved in the background. Once if you switch to one or the other app, then the previous app will be erased from the memory. It won't be stable. Gaming experience is good. It's good. You can use this one for a light gaming. Definitely not recommended for a heavy gaming or games with heavy graphics. Some of the light games you can definitely play with it. It handles really good. There's no major issue in this, but not meant for a hardcore gamers. You cannot play games with heavy graphics. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment this video, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching.